Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Coach Michelle Mills. I help people with eczema heal naturally through methods like stress management, diet, supplement routines, and just detoxing their lifestyles. So today we are talking about what to do topically for your eczema, different skincare, different things that could be really good for your body topically, meaning not the inside. Today we're talking about the outside. So what's really fun is I have a friend who owns a company called Overlooked Beauty, and I actually asked her to record a video for you guys talking about her product that she offers for eczema. So I'm going to play that a little bit later in this video, but for now, let's just talk about a couple different things. So shampoos, conditioners, all of that you put on your hair, hairsprays, a lot of it can be really toxic. And when you have eczema, you have something called toxin overload. And essentially, the more toxins that you are putting on your body has to detox them. And your body is in a place where it can't detox anymore. And so that's why we have eczema in a sense. So you want to make sure that your shampoos and conditioners are really clean and healthy. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I try to be as eco-friendly as I possibly can be. So it's very important for me that something is eco-friendly and good for your body. I ended up finding this really nice shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna put a picture of it here, and you get it on Amazon. And if you have blonde hair that tends to turn brassy, I know that the purple pigment in this can help you actually fight that brassiness. So it's extremely clean, but not only that, this stuff works excellently. Like, I've used so many shampoos and conditioners, and the texture of my hair is like kind of this not curly, not straight waviness, and because it's this different texture, sometimes it can be tricky for me to have a shampoo and conditioner that works for my hair. And this stuff really works. So you can either you can lather it in your hands and then put it on your hair, and yes, it actually creates enough lather to fully clean your scalp. I have not found a shampoo that cleans my scalp this good, and it's insane that it comes in a bar. And the conditioner is so silky soft. I usually take the conditioner bar in my hand and run it along the ends of my hair, in my hand, or I take it and run it through my hair. So that is product one for you guys, and I thoroughly enjoy that shampoo and conditioner. There is nothing toxic about it. For your reference, something called perfume or fragrance can be really toxic, and it's put into tons of shampoos and conditioners, along with paraffins, parabens, and sulfates. And all of those can definitely, whatever you're putting on your scalp can get into your bloodstream, and whatever lotions you're putting on your body can get into your bloodstream. So that's why it's so important that you're careful about what you're putting on your body. All right, now we're actually gonna dive into my friend's business, Overlooked Beauty, and hear what she has to say about the product that she offers.
My name is Chisam, and I'm the steward of Overlooked Beauty. Overlooked Beauty is an all-natural skincare collection made for those with dry, sensitive, and overburdened skin. The core of our company is to focus on the power of simplicity to bring accessibility. By partnering directly with women working in the shea butter industry in Nigeria, we want to provide and invest in women so they are able to in turn invest in themselves, their families, and the communities, and climb up the socioeconomic ladder. We want to give them a platform for opportunity. We infuse our products with oils such as amatango oil, Pracaxi oil, moringa oil, and much more to create products that are moisturizing, healing, and protect the skin and go more than skin deep.
Thank you so much to her for doing that and coming on here and talking to you guys about what her products are all about. So everyone's body is gonna be different. Everyone's skin is really different. So if you've tried different things and nothing's been working, looking into trying different types of creams and lotions that are natural and healthy can help you figure out what ingredients that your body really likes. So this is actually one type of cream that you can try to moisturize your eczema with, but in case you need something different. Like you try that, it doesn't work, you can actually try mine. I released my own. I did a lot of research on the ingredients, but like I said, some people's skin may respond really well to Overlooked Beauty's product, and some people's skin may do really, really well with my product. If you've been using shea butter and it works pretty well for you, my product would be a pretty good one to try. It has shea butter, it has chamomile essential oils, it has aloe, borage oil, and prickly pear oil, and I'm really, really proud of the product, and a lot of people have been trying it and they really, really love it. I'll have that linked in the description if you want Overlooked Beauty, if you want the shampoo and conditioner, or if you want to try the one that I offer with my friend Monica from Shop Plant-Based Beauty. So, diving into something else, it is really important that if you're somebody that wears makeup, that the makeup is clean and non-toxic, especially if you're putting it directly on facial eczema. One of my favorite brands ever to use is 100% Pure. There's also a few other brands, and I will link them in the description as well for you guys to check out, because like I said, some people's skin works with one thing, another person's skin works with another. But I do want to point out that I use 100% Pure's mascara, and my eyelashes look so incredibly long and defined when I use that mascara. I don't know if my camera wants to, hello camera, actually pick up my eyelashes, but I'm sure you guys can see it. All the makeup on my face is just clean beauty. I don't use a whole lot. And I've recently been diving into skincare. So if at any point in the next few months my skin starts looking really good, you have to shoot me a DM and tell me, because then I will release my skincare routine. I'm just trying to develop it at this moment. So this is just a quick little video for me to check in with you guys and explain the importance of making sure that things around you are not causing your eczema more issues. So check out the description, you'll see lots of links and stuff. And also, quick thing, stay away from bleach baths. It's a long story, but just trust me, it's like antibiotics for the skin in a very bad way. So don't use bleach baths. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video.
I like crashing waves.